how to use discount code on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can use discount code on Hawaii Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Hawaii Airlines account. Then the second thing you must notice is that you must locate the code. That is, find the code that you want to use as find the discount code that you'd like to use for your flight. And then once you've found the code and then you've logged in into your Hawaii account, the next step is to book a flight. Okay, because the major way of making use of a discount code is by booking a flight. So how do you book a flight? On the application, you would move to the lowest part of the screen. Next to the more option, you can see the book option. Click on it. After clicking on it, you can see round trip, one way, and all of that. Fill in all of this, and then type out the your location where you are at the moment. Then type out where you are going to. Okay, and then type out your departure as well as your returning date. Just go ahead and type it out that way, and then click on find flight. Now at this stage, I must let you know that for you to be able to make use of a discount code, you'd have to log in into your Hawaii Miles account. Now for me, I have not logged in because in my location currently Hawaii Airlines is not supported, but for you, you can see the sign in option at the top right corner of the screen. So you just ensure you click on that and then you sign in. Then after signing in on this page, the settings will be different in the sense that you will see the option promo code. Okay, promo code. Once you see this promo code, click on it. Once you click on it, enter in the discount code. You must remember that the code is case sensitive, so type it out the same way you found it in the email sent to you. So once you type out this code, then go ahead and now click on find flight. Okay, so the options available for those days would be displayed to you. Alright, the options available for those days will be displayed to you, and then find your desired flight, proceed to the passenger's detail, all of that, and then complete your booking. And then when it's time to pay, the discount will be applied, alright, to the actual amount that you are meant to pay. So this is how it works. This is how you can use discount code on Hawaii Airlines. Thanks for watching and have a good trip.